Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna show you my weekly skincare routine. So the main focus of this routine is to reduce pigmentation and add glow to your skin. So with that said, let's get started. So I've splashed some water on my skin. Now I'll use this simple kind of skin facial wash, and this is the perfect face wash ever exists. This is so gentle, doesn't leave your skin dry. This cleanses your skin perfectly, and this is so gentle. This is perfect for sensitive skin, and this is affordable too. I give my skin a good massage to remove all the dirts, and I got an acne over here, so I'm gonna massage this area in a circular motion. So normally I wash my face right away, but today instead of washing, I'm gonna use this as a hair removal base, and I'm gonna remove my facial hair. So I'm gonna shape my eyebrow as well. So I have a square face which looks little round. That's why I'm gonna keep this arched eyebrow. I'm just gonna make this arch more prominent. Now if you're worried about removing facial hair because you think it will grow back even thicker, guys, that doesn't happen. Like, think logically. अगर वैसे होता तो हम भालू बन चुके होते. I have removed all the facial hair and have washed my face. Alright, so now I'll apply a face mask which hydrates my skin as well as exfoliates. So I'll use this Bayla Skin Raspberry and HA Brightening and Hydrating face mask. You know, this one is just wonderful. It has raspberry extract that hydrates your skin, as well as it has glycolic acid and lactic acid that exfoliates your skin without irritating your skin. So you just have to massage this face mask on your skin. It will take little time to get absorbed, and as you can see, it has given that glow. You have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, although they have directed to keep it for 30 to 60 minutes, but I think that's too long. So I keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and I get very good results. So you can do the same. Alright, I'm done washing my face. Now I'll apply the most important skincare product, that is toner. You know, I don't spend so much on skincare, but when it comes to toner, I do not hesitate. This is the best skincare product that gives you glow. It hydrates your skin and keeps your skin so much healthy. So here I'm using this numbuzin number 3 super glowing toner, and this is a Korean skincare product, and this is just amazing. You know, Korean skincare products might be little pricey, but when it comes to quality, I'm telling you, you won't regret spending your money. I don't know if you can see the glow, but it gives a very pretty glow. I've just applied one layer and I'll let my skin absorb it. Next, I'll layer up my toner using this PILGRIM Squalane Glow Facial Mist, and this is also a very good choice if you are looking for a toner in an affordable range. Also, if you are buying PILGRIM product, go to their website and use this code. You will get additional 15% discount. Next, I'm going to use this Deconstruct 10% niacinamide plus 0.3% alpha-butane serum. So why I love niacinamide the most? Because it minimizes your open pores almost instantly. It reduces pigmentation, it makes your skin glowing. So like, there is no reason to avoid this one. I would highly recommend, if you are struggling to find the perfect active ingredient for your skincare routine, I would recommend go for niacinamide. Also, very few people talk about alpha-butane, and this is the great ingredient to reduce pigmentation, and you can also combine it with niacinamide, vitamin C, kojic acid. So I'm gonna take Bayla Skin Peach and 2% alpha-butane serum, because the former serum already has 0.3% concentration of alpha-butane. So I'm not gonna take too much. I'm gonna just take 2 to 3 drops and dab it all over my skin. Now I will apply a moisturizer. In here I'm using this Dr. Sheth's Vitamin C and Ceramide moisturizer, which is just amazing. This is the perfect oil-free moisturizer. This is so mild. You're not gonna get an acne after using it. This is perfect for sensitive skin, and it actually hydrates your skin so well. And the best part about this is it contains vitamin C complex and ceramide complex. That means not only one type of ceramide and vitamin C, but complex of multiple variants of ceramide and vitamin C. Now I'm gonna do some facial exercise to get rid of my facial fat, and I think you can already see a very vivid result because I've started it few days ago. And I generally follow DN Beauty channel for facial exercises, and let me tell you guys, I trust her the most when it comes to facial exercises. All her exercises are so effective. And you know, when it comes to YouTubers, I only trust two YouTubers the most. First is Yuka Sagawa, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and second is DN Beauty. If they have said you will get result, then you will. Okay, so I'm done with facial exercise. Now I'm gonna apply sunscreen. I'm using Dr. Sheth's Healthy and Hyaluronic Acid sunscreen, and this is perfect if you have oily skin. This will actually help you in reducing pigmentation if you use it regularly. It hydrates your skin, and this is so mild. If you have a sensitive skin and if you are looking for a mild sunscreen, then this is for you because this is free from benzophenone, which is worst chemical filter, and this has comparatively safe mineral and chemical filters. So that's it for skincare. Now I'm gonna take care of my lip because why not? So first I'm gonna scrub my lips, and for that I'll use this Revona Natural Strawberry Lip Scrub. You can get this trial product from Smitten, and you know, you can use it for a very long period. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it and gonna scrub my lips gently. Lastly, I'll apply this Roman Glassing Balm. So I don't think it's a lip balm, but yeah, it works well as a lip balm because yeah, it hydrates your skin and it has a very pretty shade. So I mostly use it these days. You might be thinking, oh my god, such a lengthy self-care routine, but guys, weekend में इतना तो चलता ही है. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी. Till then, annyeong.